Welcome. In front of me is a Lenovo Tab M10 Plus, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. Disregard the pop-up of Google services. So we'll need to turn off our device, and then we will be holding volume up and down at the same time along with the power key. My tablet is plugged in, but this will not affect it really in any way. You can actually unplug it. There we go. So let's turn it off. Power key, power off. Now I will be holding it in my hand just because it's a little bit easier for me to press both of those keys at the same time. And just trying to figure out like some kind of comfortable way to press this. So there we go. I'm holding both volume keys, also power key. There will be a vibration. Now, I believe the first time around it will not boot into recovery mode. Once you see the Lenovo logo, feel the vibration, you do want to let go, but it actually did. So, if you're having a problem with booting into it, I think I actually figured out how to exactly do it. So, you will feel a vibration, and then right afterwards you see a Lenovo logo. Once that logo appears, you want to immediately let go. If you do it right, I guess in time, it should boot us into recovery mode. But if for some reason you start seeing like the animation, so the next animation after the logo, that means that it didn't boot into it. So start holding power key once more. This will forcibly reboot the device, even though it's not finished powering back on. And you can try that again. So once you feel the vibration, try again letting go of the power key just a little bit quicker. And once you get into this mode, as you can see, it will look like this. And you'll use volume keys to navigate through the options, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now, quickly going over these options, we have Reboot System Now, which takes us back to Android. We have a Reboot to Bootloader, which will probably take us into fast boot mode. Apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data or cache partition, mount system, view logs, run test, and also just power off the device. So that's basically all we have right here. So I'm gonna just press power key to confirm the first option, which, like I said, will reboot the device and take us back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.